If installing on level ground, set your posts at 74.5 inches high and 92 inches between posts. Mark the bracket location by measuring 3 3/4 inches down from the top of each post. Place the horizontal rail bracket above this mark, centering it on the post, and attach with screws. Place a horizontal rail on these brackets with the screw holes on the rail facing toward you. If this rail has been cut for length, first slide the cut end over one bracket, then drop the other end over the remaining bracket. Attach a vertical back rail to each post with the small leg facing away from the bracket. Screw the vertical back rail to the post, making sure that it is running parallel with the edge of the post. With the vertical back rail in place, you are now ready to install the pickets. Each end of the first picket must be cut to fit around the bracket. Measure down 1.5 inches and cut each end at a 45-degree angle. Remove the horizontal rail from the brackets and slide this picket into place with the cut ends facing up. Now place the horizontal rail with the cut pickets over the brackets. The knuckle of the picket should be facing towards the vertical back rail. Hang the remaining pickets by hanging them from the preceding picket. The final picket must be ripped to width so that it interlocks properly. Measure down from the second to last picket to the bottom of the vertical back rail. Add 1 inch to this measurement and rip cut the final picket to this width. Slide the cut side of the picket into the horizontal bottom rail and use the leftover piece of the picket to fill the void in the horizontal rail as shown. Screw the horizontal bottom rail to the picket. With the bottom picket assembled, hang it in place on the fence. Attach the vertical front rail. The widest part of the rail should be against the picket with the narrower part of the rail against the post. This rail should be flush with the top of the horizontal rail and push tightly against the pickets. Now screw this rail to the posts. Attach the picket to the horizontal top rail by placing a screw in each hole. Using the screws provided, attach the vertical rails to the horizontal rails in the top and bottom corners on both sides of the fence. Place the post caps on the posts and attach using a finish gun or adhesive. There you have the beautiful Horizons fence, available in 3 colors: Winchester Gray, Saddle, and Woodland Brown. For more information and to order product, visit us at trexfencingfds.com or call us at 877-700-8739.